Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to give you the demo of this application I-beam panel subassembly position. This application reads all the objects added as subassemblies to the panels and assigns them the position near side or far side or both sides based on the form face. If you are working as a precast detailer, you know how critical this task is. It is not just about assigning the position, you will also spend some additional time in checking. With this application, you can eliminate the entire process. Let me walk you through how this application works. And before that, I would like to show you the form face. Let me just double click on this application. I have downloaded this application from the Tekla warehouse. Now you can see the form face of all the panels. Now I'm going to run this application. Let me select only the panels using the filter. So once I select all the panels here and then click run, the process is completed. Let me activate near side and far side check from the view properties. You can see now. And if I just go to these fellows, so these are both sides. Now I'm going to change form face of these two panels. Let me just open the user defined attributes. From front, I change this one to back. Let me also select this. And I'm also taking this one. Modify. Now I'm going to run this application once again. So when I run this application, this should take the position as far side. Let me select 1, 2, and 3, and then run. And now you can see it has updated the position of these subassemblies. As you have seen, this application will be a huge benefit for the precast detailer. If you are interested in this application, feel free to reach out to me, and thank you for watching this video.